In case you didn't know, about 10 years ago I had a stroke. I used to not know what a stroke was. Now I do. Someone in the United States has a stroke every 40 seconds. This channel is about overcoming. As you can see, I only have one arm that works. So I do what I can, but you know what? I do quite a bit. I had a stroke, but I was supposed to die, but I didn't. If you know anyone who has problems like mine, or worse, encourage them. They can overcome. You can overcome, one day at a time. Today, I'm cooking breakfast and getting a haircut. It will only take about 5 minutes to learn how to do all that. My beautiful wife is gonna trim my hair, and the breakfast is all me. Well, almost, as you will see. But hang in there for 5 minutes and wait till you see what we have for dessert.
Honey, I think I need you. I'm gonna see if I want to make your egg nice. Forgot that. Now, I only cook for bacon because I really don't care.
How much meat do you want?
That looks good. Oh, my ear trimmer. Maybe we need a new one. Yeah, because I wanted to do a movie, and I didn't want to think I did over 2 days, 3 days. Oh boy. Well, how long have you been cutting hair? 4 years. There we are.
Self-taught. Get a license because I'm not paid.
Hey, I pay you.
How?
Sometimes. I made you breakfast. Oh, I made partially breakfast.
Someone calls me first. Taxes down.
know when I'm old?
Well, it's a sign of oldness. Is white hair and baldness. You didn't know.
What's the Bible
You
say?
missed that.
What's the Bible say?
The hoary head is white. And Elisha was bald. Joel was bald.
Oh, that's right. Oh, so who's that again? He was bald. Keto and Keto Cup and Ilias Espresso.